Good morning, everyone. So, I hope you all are revising the term 1 syllabus for exams, and I hope the same that you all are preparing for your exams also, as it will be going start from 31st of July. So today we have revised all the grammar chapters, and if you find any of the problem, you can WhatsApp me, you can call me, or you can post the query on EdQuack also. Fine. So today we are going to start with the literature part, and this is the lesson number 1, Rahul's decision. This is the English literature and it is of term 1 from your book Together with Essence, and this is the chapter number 6 of revision. Fine. So the topics which we are going to cover in this lecture, that is the recapitulation we will be doing. Again we are going to revise the chapter number 1, Rahul's decision. Then I am going to discuss the complete book exercise, then homework solution. So in this chapter, the introduction of this chapter is completely about the boy named Rahul. He was very disturbed and worried as his father wanted him to be a farmer. So his father wanted him to be a farmer, but his dreams were different. So he wanted himself to be an engineer or a doctor. He sacrificed his own dreams for his father's happiness. So we are going to study in this chapter how Rahul sacrificed his own dreams for his father's happiness. See, this is the beginning of the Rahul's life. You can look here, there's a beautiful picture of a farm. His mother is working on a farm and Rahul is back from his college. See, Rahul boarded the train after his examination. जब राहुल की परीक्षाएं खत्म हो गई थी तो वो ट्रेन पर सवार हुआ. Got over and walked home from the station. स्टेशन से घर आ पहुंचा. His home was a farm. This is his home. It looked like a farm. And it was 5 in the PM when he reached the home and he met his mother. You can see over here, Rahul is over here and he met his mother. Her eyes were filled with tears of gladness. Gladness means happiness. This is a brief. In brief, I am telling you, you need to read it yourself, the complete chapter, as the chapter was already explained earlier. Her eyes were filled with tears of gladness as she saw her son after a long time. बहुत लंबे समय के बाद उसने अपने बेटे को देखा था, इसलिए उसकी आंखें खुशी से भर आई थी. After a little later, they were joined by the Rahul's father. थोड़ी देर के बाद वो राहुल के फादर के पास गए, उनसे मिले. And he met his father with deep sympathy. वो बहुत deep sympathy. He met his father. As his father was in great loss. His father was in great loss. बहुत नुकसान हुआ था उनको, crops सारे सड़ गए थे, है ना? So he was in great loss. In half an hour, they all were seated around the table having dinner. You all can look here. There is a table. They all three are sitting over here and having the dinner. Rahul was in great thought. So Rahul was thinking of something and was preparing the speech of his life. So he was thinking how to talk to his father and how to describe his own words. The meal was over, खाना खत्म हो गया, and 3 of them sat in the courtyard. Now in the next, they all 3 are sitting in the courtyard. You all can look in the picture. Then his father started before Rahul was about to start. Means Rahul was about to speak something, but before that his father started. राहुल शुरू ही करने वाला था, लेकिन उससे पहले उसके जो पिताजी थे वो बोलने लग गए. He started talking about his career option. He offered him many career. उन्होंने बहुत सारे career options बताए उसे, such as engineer, doctor, or to work for competitive exams. Rahul said in a croaky voice, "Which do you want to be?" His father was in great dilemma. अब वो सोचने लग गए, सोच में पड़ गए. And he said that he did not want to influence you in any way. Means his father was not pressurizing him in any way, but still he wants his parents to be happy. I would be happiest if you could join us on the farm. So what his father said, that he will be happy They both will be happy, mother and father, if he would join them at the farm. अगर वो खेती बाड़ी में उनकी मदद करेगा, farm पे उनको join करेगा. At last Rahul agreed with his father's decision and everyone was happy. So what is the end of the story? So the Rahul was agreed with his father's decision and everyone was happy at that time. So what is the moral basically of this story? Parents are the ultimate role models of their children. Means parents are the one who can think of their child, who can plan out the platform for the children, for their own child. Every word, every movement and the action affects. No other person or the outside force has a great influence on the child than a parent. So a parent can do everything for a child. Means no other person can do. So we should always listen to our parents, fine, and we should always walk on the track they assign to us, because they will never plan something wrong for us. They will always plan everything right for a bright future. I hope you all will follow your parents' advice. Now this is all about the book exercise. Look here. Yeah, answer the following questions. I'm not going to write their answers first. You all have to look at the videos and answers yourself. Rahul's father was a retired what? He was the retired army officer. Rahul was sensitive to his parents' feeling. True or false? False. The family ate in the enamel plate from the army canteen. This indicates that they were rich. Were they rich? No. False. Rahul's father owned a farm. उन्होंने farm खरीदा था? Yes, true. Rahul's decision was that he wanted to be a what he wanted to be. What Rahul wants himself to be a what? Farmer only, because of their parents' decision. Now next is Rahul's father wanted him to be a what? He wanted him to be a farmer only. What according to Rahul's father were the benefits of living on a farm? Means what are the benefits of living on a farm? It is clean and healthy. Yes, it is clean and healthy. Farm is basically clean and healthy only. The family would be together. Yes, the family would be together. They all will remain together only. It would not have the noise and the smoke of the cities. वहाँ पे कोई धुआं नहीं होगा cities का, है ना? And all the above? Yes. So the D is the answer, that is all the above. Complete the following statement. These statements are all from your chapter only. First is Rahul walked home from the station because why he went to the home? It gave him the chance to prepare himself to talk to his father regarding the profession of his choice. So he went home to talk to his father, and this gave him the time to prepare himself. Rahul's mother cried because why his mother cried? Because she was happy to see her son back after a long time. जब उसने क्योंकि वो वह बहुत खुश थी अपने बेटे को देखकर इतने समय बाद. Rahul's father had some problem at the farm. These were क्या-क्या उनको मुश्किलें क्या-क्या कठिनाइयाँ आई उनको फार्म के ऊपर. Less crops and extra expenditure. फसल तो कम थी पर लेकिन जो उनका खर्चा होता था वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता था. Rahul's father was unable to cope up with all these alone. और वो अकेले यह सब नहीं संभाल पा रहे थे. Next is thinking caps on. It's very interesting. Now you have to think on your own. How do you think Rahul was feeling as he made his way home from the station? जब वो स्टेशन से घर जा रहा था उसको क्या कैसी कैसी फीलिंग्स आई? You have to find it. See, the first one is very easy. It is on the top. Worried, परेशान. After that, the next is uncertain. 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 Tense. Where is TENSE? Tense. And he was disturbed also over here. DISTURBED. Disturbed again. Next is upset. 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 He was upset also. And there is happy also. HAPPY. So you have to just write the 5 feelings. Fine. Worried, uncertain, tense, upset, disturbed, happy. So the next is, here are a few words related to the nature. Nature से related कुछ words हैं. Unscribble them to answer the questions given at the end of the exercise. They are the questions given. You have to unscribble them. See, over here, this is the word given, SASON. You have to use E also. See, it is very simple. Season, SEASON. SEASON, season. Simple. Second is, it is FOLAR. It can be flora, fauna, flora. FLORA, flora. Next is, see, flower, 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 flower. Next is, let us see, soil, SOIL. It's very simple exercise, na? SOIL. Next, again, word is, next word is, see, WATER, water, WATER. Sixth number is, it is beauty, BEAUTY, BEAUTY. Simple. Now next is seventh. Fine. Seventh is, I think it is garden. See, look here. It's from G. GARDEN. 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 Number 8 is, it's quite big word. ENV. It's environment. I think so. Yes. ENVIRONMENT. It's making environment. So the next is, how did Rahul feel when he came to know that his parents also wanted him to be a farmer? अब राहुल को कैसा लगा जब उसको पता चला कि उसके माँ बाप चाहते हैं कि वो है फार्मर बने? उसको कैसा लगा? How he felt? He felt relieved. He felt relieved. How he felt? He felt relieved. Fine. Now read the next question. Now after that, the next question is, relieved. Relieved basically means he was not disturbed. He was simply relaxed. Give one more word that describes Rahul's relief. Rahul ko relief mila. So there is one more word, you have to describe it. Look up relief in a dictionary. You can look up in a dictionary the meaning of relief, but the answer I am telling you, that is comfortable. He felt comfortable. Now the next is dictionary. It's very interesting. See, take the help of the dictionary to write these words. You can open the dictionary and take the help from it. All of them begin with the names of animal. They all starts with the name of animal, like horse, cow, pup, cat, bull, goat. First is a horse used in a salad. So the horse used in a salad. What is this? That is horse radish. Yes. A cow that has no courage. That is coward. Darpok. COWARD. Coward. Next is a pup that is moved with a string. देखो यहाँ पे. This is over here. That is puppet. 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 A cat that can throw stones. A cat that can throw stones. And that is catapult. This is catapult. This is the cat which can throw stones. A bull used in a gun. that is bullet. That is bullet. B-U-L-L-E-T. A got on the chin of a man. This is a got on the chin of a man. That is goatee. G-O-A-T-E-Y. This is the chin on his man. Next is nouns. This I have already told you. This is the collective noun. Yes. And you all have revised. Now let us see the answers. Which noun would be appropriately associated with each of the following? The clues are already given to you and you have to fill it in. First is a pinch of. Pinch. A pinch of salt. Simple. A cake of. A cake of soap. Where is soap? Over here. S-O-A-P. A blade. A blade of grass. Next is a pair of scissors. It can be scissors also or it can be socks also. Fine. Next is a grain of, fifth number, rice. A coil. Coil किसकी होती है? Rope. In Nazruddin story also you have read. A coil of, R-O-P-E, rope. Then a gust of wind, W-I-N-D, wind. A ray of light. Next is, can you match each abstract noun to its opposite? You all have read about abstract noun. What are abstract noun? Abstract noun are the nouns which we can just feel, which we cannot touch. You can find that all the answers above are the words that cannot be seen. मैंने बताया ना आपको, जिनको हम छू नहीं सकते, जिनको हम सिर्फ फील कर सकते हैं, टच भी नहीं कर सकते, टेस्ट भी नहीं कर सकते, इनको बोलते हैं हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. फाइन. फर्स्ट इज पॉवर्टी. पॉवर्टी होता है गरीबी. सो व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट यू हैव टू फाइंड? ऑपोजिट ऑफ पॉवर्टी इज वेल्दी. वेल्थ लिखा, आप वाई लगाएंगे पीछे तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन बन जाएगा वो वेल्दी. नेक्स्ट इज, second is dishonesty. Dishonesty, it will be honesty. H-O-N-E-S-T-Y, honesty. Opposite you have to find. Foolishness, wisdom, बुद्धिमान. ठीक है. Next is absence. Opposite will be presence. Next is falsehood, झूठा, and the opposite will be truth. Truth means sacha. After that the next word is after that the next word is, after that truth is freshness. It will be tiredness, thaka hua. Freshness opposite is tiredness, thaka hua. Next is death, birth. Death मरना, birth जन्म देना. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रेंथ. हिम्मत होती है ना, स्ट्रेंथ. वीकनेस, कमजोरी. फेलियर, हार. सक्सेस, यस. ब्यूटी, ब्यूटी सुंदरता. अग्लीनेस. डिजीज, व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ डिजीज? डिजीज, हेल्थ. यस, ओवर हियर इट इज हेल्थ. And the last is hatred, nafrat, grina, love. So I hope you all have understood this. Now see over here, these are the answers of the previous exercise which I have explained you. You all can, if you have not done, you can do it right now with the help of these answers and with understanding. So this is the homework which you have to do. You have to read the chapter carefully, revise lesson number 1. Complete lesson you have to revise. It's word meaning, question answer and book exercise. Okay, completely you have to do it. Now this is the homework assignment which I gave you, and that was of grammar. Chapter number 12 का दिया था ना मैंने आपको, adjective and degrees of comparison. So this is the exercise number 1. Complete the chart by supplying the missing form of adjective. The example is given here: great, greater, greatest. Now the first one was given was studious. Studious, more studious, more studious. Comparative is more studious. Superlative is more studious. Gentle, more gentle, most gentle. Hungry, hungrier, hungriest. High, इसके पीछे y लग गया ना, तो y को हटा के IER, IEST. High, higher, highest. famous, more famous, most famous. And the next is pretty. अब देखो फिर से y लग गया, तो IER और IEST. pretty, prettier, prettiest. bad, worse, worst. bad का ill भी हो सकता है, evil भी हो सकता है. good, better, best. danger, dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. far, farther, farthest. Now next, that worksheet 2 was of comparative and superlative degree. It was of comparative and superlative degree. Now you all can do one thing. Where have you written the answers of that worksheet? You can take out that and you can recheck. You can cross check from this. Fine. If you want me to speak all the questions, I can speak, but you check it yourself once again. Check all the answers from this solution. Fine. Let us start. The first is Locus is dash Dustin. Tall. Locus is compare हो रहा है दो का. It will be taller than. Will is dash of the group. पूरे group से compare हो रहा है. Is the shortest of the group. Nancy is dash her brother Mike. अब दो का comparison हो रहा है तो उसमें क्या आएगा? Older. Comparative degree. Older than his brother Mike. 11 is dash of the whole group. पूरे group से comparison हो रहा है 11 का. 11 is the most powerful. Superlative degree. Max has dash hair. कोई comparison नहीं है. Simple long hair. Dustin is dash of them all. अब Dustin का सबसे comparison हो रहा है. It will be the most, the funniest. The most funny नहीं होगा. It will be the funniest. Will is dash his brother Jonathan. अब दो का comparison हो रहा है. Will is younger than his brother Marathon. Police chief Hopper is dash his partners. अब दो का comparison हो रहा है फिर से. Comparative degree more brave. The Demiurgeon is dash creature. कोई comparison ही नहीं है इसमें तो it will be just frightening. Next is the upside down is dash place you can ever imagine. It is a means we are comparing one place to all rest of the places. Then it will be superlative degree. The most scary, scariest भी आ सकता है. That will be also correct. Mr. Clark is dash science teacher in Hawken Middle School. We are comparing a teacher with all the rest of the teachers of the school. So it will be superlative degree, the best. Hawken National Laboratory is one of dash in the world. Again, we are comparing one laboratory to all others laboratory of the world. So it will be the most important. You can find dash shops at the Staircourt Mall. Fine, you can find a trendy. There is no comparison done. Stranger Things is dash science fiction horror television series at the moment. So it will be the most. We are comparing one with the rest. Barb is dash her friend Nancy. Now two persons comparison is there, so it will be comparative degree more careful than. I hope you all have understood this. So you have to revise chapter number 1 completely of literature, Rahul's decision, with all the book exercise complete. That's it. Thank you.